Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can get price alerts and notifications using the Capital.com app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Capital.com app, then go to your account and tap on the notifications tab. And when you tap on notifications, here you will see this whole list of different kinds of notifications and alerts. Price alerts is on the top. The second one is stop loss, take profit triggered notifications, pending order executed notifications, market updates, webinar announcements, platform updates, education and training strategies, trading condition changes, margin calls, and money transfers. So these are all the notifications and alerts that you can activate on the Capital.com app. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.